Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you 3 home remedies for sensitive teeth. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So regular dental appointments are as important as doctor's appointments, especially if you have been experiencing consistent toothaches after eating cold food or beverages. So finding the source of your sensitivity is important to recommending treatment to have the in the meantime. Of course, in the meantime, there are some home remedies you can try with until your next dental appointment. Yes, so the first one is we are going to use some salt and some warm water. So salt water rinse. Salt is an effective antiseptic, and it can also help to reduce inflammation, to alleviate pain symptoms from sensitive teeth. And you have to be precise, with the measurements. Yes. So friends, like I've been experiencing, sensitive teeth, and so I opted to share this video with home remedies which have really helped me a great deal. So you have to make sure that you add half teaspoon of salt to a glass of lukewarm water and mix well. So make sure that, of course, the reason why we are using warm water is to make sure that, our salt dissolves quickly in the water. So you can use this remedy like twice daily, and you have to make sure that you gargle and switch in your mouth. So that is how it looks like. So comment in the section below if you have tried out home remedies for sensitive teeth, and if you're going to try out these ones. So friends, like after a few uses, your sensitivity will reduce. And dentists also recommend using a soft bristle brush and low acid or fluoride mouth rinses. So now I'm switching it, friends. Yes. So you have to do this at least for 30 seconds, and then once you are done, you rinse. So now I'm going to speed and rinse. So the second remedy is honey. So you will need half tablespoon of honey and some warm water. So we've already pre-measured our honey, and we are going to add in our water. So honey is an antibacterial agent and can be used for wound management. Honey can help to speed up healing and reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation. So to reduce pain from sensitive teeth, rinse your mouth with warm water and spoonful of honey. This rinse actually will promote oral healing. So make sure that you stir until it's well combined. Once you are done, it's ready. And then swish the solution in your mouth for up to 30 seconds. So like once you switch for the solution for 30 seconds, you have to spit out the solution. So friends, like all these ingredients, like natural ingredients, they really worked well. Like it's something that you can try at home, before going for an appointment. So I'm going to speed. Our second home remedy is turmeric. So in addition to cooking, turmeric can be used in anti-inflammatory treatments. Turmeric contains a compound called curcum, known for its anti-inflammatory effect. It has been used in Ayurvedic treatment, in treatments for digestive orders, as an agent to enhance wound healing. So for oral health and to alleviate pain from sensitive, teeth, you can manage your ground to you can actually massage your ground turmeric onto the teeth. An alternative is to make a topical paste with 1 tablespoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon turmeric and half tablespoon of salt and a half teaspoon of coconut oil or mustard seed, and then make this paste, then apply to your teeth. Or I opted to use a toothbrush. So continue stirring until it is well combined before adding the oil. So you can use mustard oil or coconut oil. So I didn't have mustard oil, and then I opted to go for coconut oil because it's also good. It's a perfect alternative. So once you are done, you need to add a half teaspoon of coconut oil, and then we are going to add it to our paste. Then once you are done, make sure that you stir it so that it forms a fine paste. So I'll continue stirring until it is well combined. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. I do share DIY, classic lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin, and how to draw closer to God, and how to embrace our natural hair, how to take care of our natural hair, and how to formulate cosmetic products. So I'm going to link other videos in the description box below. So that is how it looks like. It looks so perfect. So now I'm going to use a soft bristle toothbrush like so, and get a sizable amount, and then rub it gently on my teeth and my gums. So this is very important. I feel this is the best way to use it, or you can use your hands and just dab it, but I feel this will be very effective. So all these products, like, they will reduce pain from sensitive teeth. And once you are done, you need to rinse. So the other treatment that we can use actually is a desensitizing toothpaste, which contains compounds, that actually blocks pain signs traveling from a nerve in your tooth to the brain. So actually, after a few uses, your sensitivity will reduce. So dentists also recommend using a soft bristle brush and a low acid or fluoride mouthwashes. So I'm going to brush with a turmeric paste for at least 30 seconds. And you should be very gentle, don't be so abrasive. That is the reason why we recommend to go with a soft brittle toothbrush. So I'm going to rinse. So friend, I've just rinsed. Look, even my teeth are so bright. So comment in the section below, friends, if you're going to try out this. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.